Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect a Ledger Nano X to your computer. First, power on and unlock the device with your PIN and open Ledger Live. Then, choose to connect via USB or Bluetooth and accept permissions when prompted. Follow on-screen Ledger Live instructions to add accounts and verify receiving addresses. Finally, keep your recovery phrase offline and never share it with anyone. When choosing USB or Bluetooth, pick the method that best fits your workflow and security needs. USB gives a stable, power-backed connection, while Bluetooth offers convenience when moving between machines. Make sure Ledger Live shows the device as connected and that firmware is up to date. If prompted, confirm actions on the Nano X screen to complete any sensitive steps. Always verify receiving addresses before sending funds to avoid mistakes. Quick recommendation and a small favor. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more clear crypto tutorials. On another note, The Simple Path to Wealth is a great read if you want smarter money habits alongside secure hardware practices. I find it pairs oddly well with learning security basics, like storing a recovery phrase safely. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If you hit issues, stay calm and follow simple checks to resolve most problems. Restart Ledger Live, reconnect the Nano X, and try another USB cable or port first. For Bluetooth issues, toggle Bluetooth off and on and ensure no other device is blocking the connection. If firmware updates are pending, complete them before proceeding. When all else fails, consult Ledger support guides or community forums for device-specific fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.